Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggypeg. So today I won't do a hair video. It's gonna be about a makeup look. That's actually a makeup look that I did last weekend when I went to a wedding and I felt cute, so I wanted to show you how I did it. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that. So I'm starting with my Fenty primer. Then I'm gonna do my brows. So I'm gonna use the Anastasia pomade in the shade dark brown. And I'm gonna clean around it with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. Okay, so to prime my eyes, I'm gonna use my Painterly Paint Pot from MAC. So my transition color is gonna be a reddish pinkish shade like that. It's from Up For Ever. Yep, so I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. Then I'm going to use this dark purple color from the Tarte Tease palette. Tarte Tease palette, yep, from Tarte. This one here. And I want to put that in my outer V to make it deeper, to put some dimensions in my eyes. So I just want to tap it first, then I'm gonna blend it. Okay, so now I want to go back to my paint pot from MAC just to cut my crease because I want to do a cut crease. I just want to go back to the eyeshadow brush that I used to put my darker color on my outer V, and I just want to blend that darker color with my eyeshadow base. Okay, so now for my eyelid color, the fun part, I want to use a eyeshadow from the Zulu by Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette. And I'm gonna use this one, this shimmery pink. Like, look at that. It's like a pink, bronzy color. It's super beautiful, so I want to use that on my eyes. And there may be some fallout, so that's why I'm doing my foundation after the eyes. I want to go back to my darker eyeshadow brush and blend it. Then on top of this eyeshadow, I want to use my NYX glitter glue because I'm gonna use a MAC pigment over that eyeshadow. So I really want to be I really want it to stick, so I'm gonna use that. And quickly before it dries, while it's still tacky, I want to use my pigment. I'm gonna use Copper from MAC, shimmery pinky bronzy color, so I want to put that on top. Wow, look at that. Look at that. So just like that for my face. Then going back to my eyes, I'm gonna use my Smashbox Always On Jet Liner to line in my waterline. And then I'm gonna use a pencil brush and use the color that I've used for my transition. I'm gonna put that under my eyes to smoke it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna line my upper lash line. I'm gonna do a small wing for that. Okay, so I am done with my lashes. Now I want to put some mascara on my bottom lashes just because the top part is very heavy. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Then I want to put some blush on. I'm gonna use Raisin from MAC, my favorite blush ever. No, you don't see it on camera. Then for my highlight, I'm gonna use my Carli Bybel palette from BH Cosmetics. So there is all those highlight shades here. I wanna use this one. Then I'm gonna move on to my lips. So of course I'm gonna use Chestnut from MAC. For my lipstick, I'm gonna use this one from Gush. It's the 162 Nude. And to put on top of that, of course, I'm gonna use my Fenty Gloss Bomb. So that's the final look. That's the makeup that I wore to go on a wedding last weekend. So tell me in the comments what you think about it. And I'm also gonna put in the description box all the products that I used to make this makeup look. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.